About force majeure clauses. It is usual for a contract to contain a clause that tells the parties under what circumstances they will be excused from fulfilling a contractual obligation. Excused means the party is free of the obligation. The obligation no longer exists. However, the circumstances under which this can happen are very limited. A party can usually be free of contractual obligation only because something unusual happens that stops him or her from fulfilling the obligation. The clause in a contract that mentions the ways in which this cancellation of an obligation can happen is called the force majeure clause. Let's say that one party to a contract agreed to deliver goods by plan to the other party. However, on the delivery date agreed in the contract, the delivery company's local air traffic controllers decided to have a strike which continued for more than a month. It was impossible to deliver the goods on the agreed date because the airports were closed. Under circumstances like this, there is normally no breach of contract. This is because there is a supervening event that is preventing the contract from being carried out. A supervening event is something that is unexpected. It stops or interrupts an event or situation. The force majeure clause states that if a supervening event happens that is completely out of the control of the contracting parties, such as a strike, then the party who is unable to fulfill his or her obligation will not be liable under the contract. Lawyers describe an event like this is as unforeseeable. In other words, neither party could have predicted or imagined it. Other force majeures include things like computer failure, war, revolution, earthquake, or fire. Lawyers sometimes refer to a force majeure, especially an event that is not connected to human activity, as an act of God. Fire, hurricane, flood, or earthquakes can each be described as an act of God. When a party wants to use a force majeure clause to avoid being in breach of contract, we say that he or she relies on the force majeure clause. I hope you enjoyed this video. I put a lot of legal information in it that you need to expand your legal knowledge. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to listen my next podcast first. Thank you for listening Maral Advocate YouTube channel.